Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel, and this time we're back on the Jag again, and we're going to do a little bit of wrapping.
I'm based in edge, bit of paste, bit in the place.
No, not that type of wrapping. We're going to remove these hood vents and wrap them in carbon fibre. So to do that, it's going to be much easier with the vents off, so let me show you how to remove the vents. So you can actually see the vents are just pushed in and just clipped in using these, and a couple of little clips here just to hold them in place. And I think that should be it. So let's get these removed. So I've pulled out my trusty feeler gauges again just to push down these two clips here, which are all dead against the metal of the bonnet. The rest we should just be able to push these out. So there is two more clips, one at each edge there. One there and one there that need to be released. So I'm just checking the vent to see whether it's removable, and I don't think it is. It looks like it's plastic welded on. So I'm going to have to leave this bit in place, and just when we cut, we're going to have to cut as close to that edge as we possibly can, just to trim it off. But yeah, anyway. So now I've got them both off, what we're going to do is we're going to get these cleaned and use a bit of isopropyl alcohol to remove any grease marks and get them ready for the wrapping. So now what we need to do is cut some carbon fibre wrap that will work on these two with the correct weave. Now I'll throw a picture up on the screen. This is what the air vents look like from an SVR that are carbon fibre, so you can see which way the weave goes. I'm going to replicate the direction of that weave on these when I wrap them. Okay, that's them cut, and let's get these wrapped. And that's one done. Yeah, I'm well pleased with that. I'm going to go, I'll do the other one, and then we'll fit them back on the car.
20 minutes later.
There we go, both now done, so let's get them on the car. Wow, what a difference they make. They go along nicely with the mirrors that I did, and the carbon fibre body kit I've got on this car as well. So wow, well impressed with that. With that as a mod, so that's really making the bonnet look absolutely superb now. And yeah, this car is coming together and looking phenomenal. What with the new front end I put on it with the carbon fibre and all the other bits around it. I'm really loving this car. So the next part we're going to do in another video will be these bits. Stay tuned for my videos if you want to see what else I'm going to do to this car and have a look back at some of the things I've already done to this car. So if you enjoyed this, please give me the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It all helps with the analytics and the ratings. Thanks for watching. See you next time.